Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Miss Damn Jewelry. Today, I'm opening a mystery box that I bought from Charlie Bubbles Vintage Emporium. Now, Charlie is the one who runs the auction I do every month, the Charlie's Vintage auction that I do every month. She was trying to clear out some stuff from her house. She's like, right, I'm going to do basically a mystery box. So let's see what I got. I haven't opened it yet. It arrived the other day. I wanted to do a video on it because I wanted to let her know that I appreciate it. So let me open it up. Now, there'll be a crinkle alert. I may have to edit that out just so I don't get on everybody's nerves. So, oh, look. So look. Oh, look at the little paper she used. You'll have to see the paper. The little fishies. Okay, so I'm going to open this. I will be right back because I don't want to crinkle everybody out. And you're like, oh, the noise. So hang on a minute. Let me get this open. Okay, so well, this is still going to be some crinkles, sorry. So the first thing, I opened the box straight away, and she sent me a vintage Christmas garland. Oh my God, how cute. I will be hanging it up this year at Christmas. Don't know where. I'll figure out a place to hang it up at Christmas. Look at that. Isn't that cool? Love that. Oh, the second thing I got was, oh, look, a little Christmas teddy bear. I love a good teddy bear. I like a good Christmas ornament. Isn't that cute? Teddy bear. I got that, so that was cool. Oh, there's more. There's more. Oh, I see Santa's. Oh, look. A little Santa. A Santa ornament. Look at him. Oh, I'm loving this already. Oh, it's Christmas in August. That's cute. Oh, isn't that sweet? It was heavy. That's got some good weight to it, that. Let's see what else. Oh my goodness. Here's something else. Oh, look at Old Father Christmas. Oh, I love that. Look at that, guys. Isn't that cute? Oh my God. See, I want to get my Christmas tree out now. So let me put this aside. Oh, how cute is this? A little keychain with France on it. That is cute. I love that. Oh my gosh. That is so adorable. Let's see. Oh, what is this? Oh, look at this. Oh, more Christmas ornaments. Oh, I remember these. These are like the straw ornaments. Look at that. Isn't that cute? Oh, love that so much. That's cool. Oh, and here's, oh my gosh. Look, it's a little angel straw ornament. Oh, I love these. These would be good in a little display. Even if you don't hang them on your tree, you just put it out on a little display. Oh, with like all kinds of different angels. That would be so good. Oh, I love. So let me move this paper. Sorry, crinkle. What's this? Oh, look at this. It's like, is this a scarf? Oh, girl, this is like a little kerchief. I do like this for the winter. I'm gonna wear it. I'm gonna wear it right now. Now that it's cold. Well, it's kind of cold here today, so I can. I love this. It's just, ooh, it's so autumnal too when I go out pumpkin picking, which I'm gonna do this year. Come hell or high water. Look at that. Oh, I love this. This is cute. It's the tartan. Oh, look at that. I could put that in my hair. Oh yeah, it'd be cute in my hair. Look. Look at that. Well, I mean, not like that, but obviously you'd have to do it properly. So that was really cute. I like that. Oh, Daniel. Daniel. Where's tacky as me? Oh my God. He'd be wanting so glad. Daniel, look what I got. And you didn't. They fit my chunky hands. Oh, darling. Yes. Stop. These are so cool. Look, they got the little ruched right there, little ruching right there. Whatever it's called. These are fun. Oh my God, I could just be like, let me take my gloves off. Let me take my gloves off and slap you across the face. These are so fun. Oh my God, I love those. Oh, well, look. I mean, look, these are good. Oh, look, the vintage icicles. My tree. This is a good mystery box. I'm liking this, child. Look at that. Oh, that was a good. I have actually a box over there of vintage Christmas stuff that I got from American resellers that I'm going to put it in with so I can have them all at one time. So, oh, here's a little, where's my scissors? Hold please while I open this. Okay, I just want to say she wrapped this stuff really well. And that's why it took me a moment. But look at that enamel brooch. Isn't that pretty? It's like a reddy bronze and orange in the middle. Ooh, ooh. Look at that. Oh, y'all know I like a brooch. So that's that. Let me move this over here. Move this here. Oh, there's another one. Oh, this feels heavy. Again, hold please while I open this. Okay. Oh my God. Look at that bronze cougar. I'm going to say it's a cougar. It could be a tiger, a lioness. But look at that. Is that cool? That's going to go on my Halloween decoration. Child, I already got a cat. I've got a brass cat already. So this is going to go next to my brass cat. Ooh, child. That is so good. I love that. So then I've got one more thing. Oh, look at the fun card she sent me. Isn't that cute? Oh, it just says, thanks for helping her do stash. My pleasure. So, oh wait, what is this? Oh my God, look at that. Is that too cute? I checked. That is so cute. It's like a little coaster with a little girl's face. So we put that down. So let me move this box over here because I have to now get into this. So once again, hold please. All right, I'm back. That. She matches the one I bought from Michael Todd, the Cult of Vintage, that says Dolores. That's her little, this is her little sister. It just says Fairyite Foreign, because you know, we didn't put the names of places, we just said foreign. Look at her though, with her little, she got a little book, her little spaghetti flower. She is ready for the day. Oh my God, can you believe this? It's like she read my mind. How did she know? This is going to go right next to the one I got from Michael Todd. Let me move this out of my way. This is adorable. I mean, this alone is just so cute. I mean, it's such good shape too. Look at her. She's got, look at those spaghetti flowers on her. Isn't she cute? So these are the things I got from Charlie Bubbles Vintage Emporium. Charlie's Vintage Auction is what she holds every month. I'm always in that auction. I do like the auction. I like to do the auction. It's with other UK resellers, vintage resellers. It is a lot of fun. We chat to each other. We promote each other. You know, it's a really good vibe in that auction, and I really do like it. And I really appreciate Charlie holding it for everybody. She's got to organize all that stuff, man. That ain't easy. And she's always constantly helping, giving advice, you know, sharing everybody's stuff. She's really great host for the auction. She really is. And I just want to thank you so much, Charlie, for my little mystery box. I really appreciate it. I loved everything. I don't know. And Daniel's going to be jealous of this. The gloves. He really is. Daniel? You jealous of my gloves? Yeah? Oops. And just all the cute Christmas stuff and all my little hair wrap for when I go pumpkin picking. I'm so excited. So thanks so much, Charlie. I will share her link in the description to her Instagram. I'll have it come across here somewhere. And that's exactly what's going to happen. And I want to say a big thank you for all the vintage Christmas stuff I got. These are amazing. I don't know where you're finding this vintage Christmas stuff, but I need to go where you're going. Thanks so much, guys, for stopping by and watching me unbox something that I got from a vintage reseller here in the UK. And I'll see you next time. Bye.